In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a variable in N8N so you can use dynamic data throughout your workflow. First, open your N8N workflow and add a node that outputs data, such as a set node or a trigger node. In this example, we'll use a set node to create a variable. Next, click Add Value. Choose the data type you need and enter a field name like customer name or email. Then assign the value you want to store. To use that variable in another node, click on any input field and select Add Expression. You can reference the variable using an expression like $JSON.CustomerName. This automatically pulls the value from the previous node, making your workflow dynamic instead of using hard-coded text. You can also use expressions to combine variables, perform calculations, or format data before sending it to another app. Once you've configured everything, click Execute Workflow to test it. If everything is set up correctly, your workflow will use the variable wherever it's referenced. And that's it! You've successfully added a variable in N8N and can now build more flexible and dynamic automations. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.